This is not a happy video, but being a hobbyist, I thought I must share all my experiences. So I am documenting this. I don't know whether I will be uploading it or not. Can you see that discus? Let me go this side. This one. You can see this is one of my oldest discus. Maybe 6 years old or more than that. When I started keeping discus, this is one of those first fishes that I purchased. For 6 years, he or maybe she was with me. Unfortunately, for last 3 weeks, it stopped feeding. No matter what kind of food I give, I have tried everything. She or he was not eating. And I believe this must be because of his or her age. I am sad, but I let the nature take its course. I could have separated it. I could have put it in a separate tank, treat it, increase the temperature, use Epsom salt, that is magnesium sulfate, whether it is having any digestive issue or not. But I didn't do that because apparently all my other discusses are doing well. You can see that as because I am doing the videography from this side of the aquarium, all of them are here. So they are readily taking food. So I let the nature take its course. I don't know how long it will survive. Astonishingly, as per my record, probably yesterday it completed 3 weeks. It's not eating. I have increased temperature. I've done everything possible. Keeping the fish inside the tank, I test all the water parameter. All the water parameter are good. It is crystal clear water, no nitrate, no nitrite, nothing, no ammonia. Probably age. And now I feel bad, I feel sad. One of my oldest companion. I feel guilty. You can see this is little bit stunted. 6 years back when I started keeping discus, I was not expert. Today also I am not expert, but my experience was very, very poor. It was kept in a community tank and I fed him ordinary food which are generally given to all kind of community fishes, and only 2.5 feet tank. Water change schedule was not good. High protein diet was not there. Still it survived. It fought a long battle. I must not say it. He or she fought a long battle. 6 years is not a small period of time. It is stunted. And later on, when I learned, when I studied, when my experience increases, I tried everything possible, all kind of high protein food and everything, but unfortunately the growth period was over. But now when I see him or her, I feel sad. More and more days are going by. You can see that the fish is actually the body of the fish is actually carved. It is carved now. Can you see? And I'm changing food. I have given Sera, I have given Tetrabit, I have given Discus Biogold, even some live food. It's not increasing or not improving. 3 weeks, I don't know when he or she will leave me, but sometime, sometime you just need to or let the nature take its course. I didn't took it out from this group for last 1.5 years. He was happy here with his friends. In the process of curing his disease, or maybe whatever that has happened to him, I was apprehensive that I will be giving him or her more trouble or more pain. So everything possible, keeping him within this tank, I have tried, but unfortunately I will be losing one of my oldest and most beautiful discus. So that's all. Sometime I just share it to let you know that sometime you have to let the nature take its course. We cannot do anything about it.